This is another video about dun sa issue kay Alvin Aragon. Especially about sa decision niya na hindi niya pinayagan yung wife niya na sumali dun sa sex bomb event. And to be honest, I really admire yung boldness ng faith niya. Makikita mo na talaga na he is trying to live out the word of God sa family niya. Lalo na sa role niya bilang husband and a father. Marami ako nakitang comments, even believers, saying na he won the argument but lost people. Pero seriously, when it comes to family, natural lang na maging personal. Lahat naman tayo kapag pamilyang usapan, mas protective tayo. May sariling dahilan si Alvin and he is doing what he believe he is called to do as a father. And honestly, kung ako yung nasa same situation niya, baka ganun din ang gawin ko. So, yes, maaring harsh pakinggan sa iba, pero pamilya niya yun eh. From his perspective, ayaw niyang makompromise yung beliefs niya or ang spiritual direction ng family niya. Hindi lang naman about sa pagiging masaya ang ibang tao, kundi kung align ba ito sa conviction niya. So, lumabas yung word na controlling. Yung word na controlling sounds negative agad sa modern culture, pero biblically speaking, may responsibility talaga ang husband or a father to lead, guide, and protect his family. Sabi po yan sa Ephesians 5:23 and 25. For the husband is the head of the wife as Christ is the head of the church. In 25, husband, love your wife just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Hindi ito tungkol sa domination kundi sa stewardship at accountability before God. And tungkol naman sa sinasabi na you're losing people, is losing people, I believe may mga tao rin na na-inspire sa boldness niya. Sometimes standing firm in your faith won't please everyone naman talaga, but it can still point people to conviction and truth. And about winning people, I believe he still win people showing his boldness and stand. His past has nothing to do with this, so it's not driven by what his past, but by his passion to Jesus. And at the end of the day, hindi lahat maintindihan ang stand mo, lalo na kapag ang faith mo na ang pinag-uusapan. Pero being a godly husband or a father is not about pleasing everyone. It's about standing before with a clear conscience. Hindi lahat ng firm decision is controlling. Minsan, it's called conviction. Minsan, it's called leadership. Because real love doesn't protect feelings. It protects purpose. So maybe the real question is not, did he lose people? Maybe the real question is, did he stay faithful to what God called him to do? And honestly, that takes courage. God bless everyone.